All right, you see down. You notice that on the board I write down combination and permutation, the formula. Of course, if you in the school, when you go back to school, you're not going to write down the calculation right away. Either you can use calculator or you don't use calculator, but you need to know the basic formula for it. So let's go back to combination. If you remember, we write down in this form NCR, or sometimes use NCR. N stands for the number of choices, and R stands for how many items you're choosing. So the formula will be quite straightforward. It will be n factorial, if you remember the form, factorial over r factorial, and then n minus r factorial. We will try to discuss about why the formula looks like this. And the permutation NPR is very straightforward also. It's n factorial over n minus r factorial. And then you notice that NPR is actually compared with the R NCR, you don't have the R factorial. So if you notice that this is your NPR. So if I combine this will be NPR over R factorial. Okay, so now let's consider the concept of NPR first. Convert these two numbers. Okay, let's say let's change to 10P4 we have before. If you are using this formula, you'll notice it's 10 factorial over 10 minus 4, which is 6 factorial. So now, if I draw this box, I need 10. Because at 10, I choose 4. So technically, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 up to here. I choose 4 of them. But the rest of them, I draw up the whole thing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Because I need to only choose the first 4, 10, 9, 8, 7. This is what I need. And from here onward, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Which one I don't need? So 6, this one is 6 factorial. The whole thing is 10 factorial. In order to get this first 4, I need to take 10 factorial divided by 6 factorial. So this is how it looks like. 10 factorial over 6 factorial, which is equal to 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 factorial over 6 factorial. This is the first topic we learned from the factorial part. So you get 10, 9, 8, 7, which in previous topic we talked about how to do the basic calculation in permutation basic calculations, right? So this is how the formulas look like and how this we get out from n factorial over n minus r factorial. Now, let's continue with the NCR, and then you notice that it's extra r factorial. If I have this part down, you have extra r factorial. Now let's try to understand why divided by n factorial, r factorial only. So now, let's consider the 4 addresses. Okay, you pick any 2. So let's say A, B, C, D. I pick any 2 is A, B, AC and AD. If you do combination, the order is not important, remember? If I do permutations, then order is important. This here, BA, CA, and DA. So the order is important. So combination is 3 groups. Permutations is 6 of them. And in this case, you will notice that permutation, you have to divide by 2. Actually divide by 3, because it is 6 divided by 2 because it's 2 in the group. 6 of them divided by 2 because each group is like each combination has 2 arrangements for permutations. So divided by 2. So how do I do that? Because this is 4 choose 2, okay, which is equal to in permutation is 4 factorial over 2 factorial, and then this is the NPR, and then after that I have to divide by 2 factorial again, which is divided by 2 anyway, and then this is also equal to 4 factorial over 2 factorial, 2 factorial, which is this formula. This is not very obvious. Let's try another numbers. Let's do 5 items and choose 2 of them. A, B, C. Let's choose 5 and choose 3. It's easier to see, right? and choose 3, A, B, C, A, B, D, A, B, E, A, C, D, A, C, E, A, D, E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is, and then also I have this first part, and I have put on the side B, C, D, B, C, E, B, D, E, and C, D, E. So you notice that you have 10 items here. So combinations, 5 choose 3, you have 10. So permutation, okay, let's pick this one B, C, D, or let's pick this one A, B, C. So we can have A, C, B, B, A, C, B, C, A, C, A, B, and C, B, A. So you have 6 of them. Total is 10 by 6 is 60 if in permutations. So technically, if you notice that it's like actually 5 is this is in combinations. 5 choose 3 is actually equal to 5p3 divided by 6. How you get 6? Because 6 is 3 items arrangement, which is also 3 factorial. So equal to 5p3 over 3 factorial to get the answer. So 5p3 is from this formula, which is 5 factorial over 2 factorial and then 3 factorial. So which is equal to the formula. Right. So you have to work on this for a few times until you get used to it.